What is phenotype in direct-to-consumer genetic test results? Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing traits like eye color or height. Those are examples of traits you can observe or measure, known as your phenotype. When you take a direct-to-consumer genetic test, it gives you information about your genes, but your phenotype is how those genes actually show up in your body. Think of your genes as a blueprint, and your phenotype as the house built from that blueprint. Your phenotype includes things like your hair color, blood type, or whether you have a health condition like lactose intolerance. These traits are influenced not only by your genetic makeup, but also by environmental factors such as diet, lifestyle, or exposure to sunlight. For example, a genetic test might show you carry variants linked to blue eyes, but whether you actually have blue eyes depends on how those genes are expressed and other factors. In genetic testing results, understanding your phenotype helps you see how your genetic information might translate into real-life traits. It's important to remember that having a gene linked to a certain trait does not mean you will definitely have that trait. Environmental influences and how genes interact also play a role. In family genetic testing and hereditary health, knowing your phenotype can help clarify inherited traits and health risks within your family. It can guide decisions about lifestyle changes or medical screenings based on how traits are expressed. For example, if your genetic test indicates a risk for a certain health condition, your phenotype might reveal whether you show signs of that condition or not. Overall, phenotype in direct-to-consumer genetic testing shows the traits you actually see or experience, resulting from the interaction of your genes and environment. While your test results reveal your genetic blueprint, your phenotype reflects how that blueprint is expressed in your body and health. It helps you connect the dots between what your genes say and what you actually look like or experience.